Good day, all of you. Today I am talking about wastewater treatment. First of all, we will know what about the wastewater. Wastewater is basically a mixture of domestic effluents as well as commercial, industrial activities, and it contains agricultural as well as aquacultural runoff. Therefore, the wastewater is basically a soup of industrial wastewater, domestic wastewater, and agricultural waste. Then what we should do with this wastewater? There is a need for its treatment. What is the need? We should remove the toxicants from this wastewater so that it can be used for our other activities, and this water should meet to the discharge standards. The wastewater treatment process includes the operations as well as processes. The unit operation includes the physical process, and the unit process includes the chemical as well as biological reactions. Therefore, we can classify it into four steps: preliminary treatment, primary treatment, secondary treatment, tertiary treatment for the final cleaning of this wastewater. This is the layout of wastewater treatment, how we go for these steps. This diagram is showing clear four steps for its execution. The first step is preliminary treatment, which includes the grid chambers, commutators, floating objects, and the screen units. All these three are meant for removal of coarse material which is present in the wastewater. The second step is primary treatment, which includes filtration, coagulation, as well as sedimentation. In the first, coagulation, we treat wastewater by using certain chemicals like alum or ferrous sulfate, or we can use ferric chloride. These coagulants are commonly added to the wastewater, and they agglomerate the colloidal particles, and they basically neutralizes the charges. The second one is filtration, which in this process we use gravity filter granular media, or we can use pressure filters. So by this filtration we can remove small particles from the water. The third step is sedimentation, which includes the gravitational force as well as the medium. So on the basis of gravitational force, we remove suspended solids from the wastewater. In the secondary treatment, we apply activated sludge process and trickling filters. The trickling filters are basically fixed bed for made up of peat mosses, ceramics, coke, gravel, or polyurethane foams. In this, we use microbial slime or biofilm for the treatment of wastewater. Besides this, we can use rotating biological contactors or RBCs. This contains a rotating unit revolution around 2 to 5 revolutions per minute. This is the picture of a standard rotating biological contactor in which we can treat the water by rotating disc. In tertiary treatment, we usually go for nutrient removal as well as disinfections. These two steps are needed for tertiary treatment. We always use ammonia removal strategy as well as air stripping. This is the picture which is showing how the steps are coming for wastewater treatment. In the phosphorus removal, we use biological as well as chemical process. Certain bacteria which can accumulate large quantity of phosphorus, they are used in the masses as they form biosolids, and the water is purified and it is completely free from excessive phosphorus which is present in wastewater. The next and the final step is disinfectant. The most common used technique is chlorination. By passing chlorine in water, we generally disinfect water. This process is quite cheaper and it is the most common step for disinfection of water. The second step is ozonation. as we know that ozone is a strong oxidant and it produces highly reactive radicals. These highly reactive radicals help in removing harmful germs from the wastewater. So by using these steps we can clean our water. Thank you so much.